Okay guys, wanted to do a quick video on how to clone a hard drive. I am cloning this drive to an SSD for a customer to speed the machine up. They're running Windows 10 and that's running awfully slow, and this and also some viruses is the reason, but this is definitely the main reason it's running slow. Cloning a drive is absolutely very simple. You just need to get yourself a docking station which has an offline clone feature. These are two different models that I have here in my shop. They both work very good, and they're very simple. So basically, to do a quick clone, and not quick, I mean, it could take, this is a 1 terabyte drive, so it could take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to do the clone. But as you can see, it has two different slots for 2.5 inch hard drives. I'm going to put the source drive, which is the original drive that I pulled out of their machine, in this spot. As you can see, it says source, so we want to use that as the source. Here we have a 1 terabyte crucial SSD that we are going to be cloning this hard drive to. So we're going to open it up. I'm trying to open it up one-handed, and as you can see, I'm not great at it. So there we go. We have our 1 terabyte SSD replacement drive. We're going to put that in the slot that says target. We are going to turn the device on, and we are going to wait for the source and the target lights to light up. As you can see, this has a connection to be connected to a PC. It is not connected. It needs to be offline and not plugged into a computer to do the clone feature. Once we see that the source and the target lights are both lit up, we're basically going to hold the button. There's usually only a single button on these things, other than the power button, of course. When we hold it, you'll see it flash, and we will press the button one more time. And as you can see, the clone is starting. And again, the amount of time it takes varies from the size of the drive. So smaller drives will clone faster than larger drives. You must clone to the same size drive or larger. You cannot clone a smaller drive to a larger drive, or excuse me, you cannot clone a larger drive to a smaller drive. It just doesn't work that way. You can clone from a same size or bigger, and then you can always expand the partition within Windows to give yourself more space. This is going to make an exact identical copy to what the person was used to, all their data, all their apps, exactly how Windows was configured. Everything will stay exactly the same, except now they will be on a much faster SSD. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this was helpful to some of you. Don't forget to give me a like. Subscribe if you're interested in more tech tips, and have yourself a very classy day. See ya.